Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. This is your first time here. Thank you so much for joining us. Finally, it's been well over a year now. It's probably about a year and a half since I bottled the Strawberry 2.0. I'm very curious to see how this has aged. My previous Strawberry 1.0, I guess if you want to say, became more like jammy and really deep after the year mark, but I did accidentally re-ferment the strawberries. So strawberries ended up fermented. I actually can't really remember. This might have re-fermented a little bit, but I don't remember tasting that when I did the initial tasting section of that video. Let's see, bottle check. No hiss, that's great. There's definitely a little schmutz at the bottom. We'll just go there, close that baby back up. Ooh, okay. I just love the smell of strawberry mead or strawberry wine. It's so good. It's so fresh. I mean, it is fairly jammy on the nose. I can smell maybe there's a little bit of a vanillin or like a creamy type note in here. Oh my God, there's a lizard in my house. Oh shit. Oh, hang on. Oh, there's a lizard in my house. Oh my God. My cat. She got up off her little sleepy time spot and I saw her like hone in. And she doesn't really do that for much. Like she's not a bug catcher. Or anything like that. But she honed in and then I saw this tail and I was like, oh God. I thought maybe it was a mouse, but it was a little skink. We've got little skinks and it's warmed up enough for them to be out and about. Oh my God. I had the door open for more light and it snuck in through the screen door. Well, that was a surprise. Okay. Woo, crisis averted. Skink is gone. It's back outside. Now Poof is on the lookout. Anyways, back to the mead. I'm just gonna give this thing a try. Oh yeah. Oh my God, that's nice. That's nice. I'm gonna let it air out a bit. Or let it open up rather, not air out. I think it's pretty well balanced. Or it is balanced, I should say. There's a decent amount of tannin there. There's just enough acidity, just enough sweetness. I think that kind of trifecta is balanced. You know, it's so funny. I've been thinking about doing like a Strawberry 3.0, and really I think the main difference that I would make is just in like how I filmed and edited it, because that was like one long stream of video, so long. It was sort of in the older way of making things, but in that weird small stage where I was like still filming myself doing every step, but I wanted it all to be in one video, and it's kind of messy. But this mead, so if you're able to follow along, or if you just look at the recipe, I'm sure that I posted it in the description, and I highly recommend making this. Even if you don't add like the lactose, I know I added a little bit of lactose in there for creaminess. You could just throw in a vanilla bean, make it easy for yourself. Then you have sort of a strawberry vanilla kind of vibe. Or if you don't even want the vanilla, you don't have to add that. Just have the strawberries, and but do balance a little bit with some tannin. You do want to add a little bit of tannin to that, I'm sure. But the creaminess does help bring down the acid, as well, of course, as the honey. Sugar is a great acid balancer. This would also be great if you have a keg and you can force carbonate. I think a little bit chilled, especially in the warm months, would be amazing. Highly recommend trying that out. Note for myself as well to try that out. If I had more of this, I would want to turn it into a competition, to be honest. Oh wait. I did turn this into a competition. I forgot. At Mazer Cup, I didn't place, but My mead was still in the 40s, and they did like it. I don't remember what the notes were. This is a pretty low ABV. It's like a 9.7%. It might have been alcohol, like raise the alcohol on that a little bit. I can't remember what their notes were. If I remember, I will put them in the description, or when I find them. I'll see if I can find the notes. I'll put them in the description because it was like one small thing that they were like, do this. And I think for this one, it might have been the ABV. Well, if any of you watching has seen that video, if you've tried this mead, let me know. I will attach it at the end of this and also put it in the description down below if you haven't seen it. Somehow it like really blew up, and it's like my one really big video on this channel. Is like kind of mind-blowing how many views it has. I'm really shocked. And if you subscribe to me from that video, you're awesome. Thank you, because I do realize it's kind of a mess. I really appreciate you, and I appreciate all the rest of you. Everyone here who supports me, I appreciate you so much. That's about it. And if you're new, subscribe if you want to. Be awesome. Help me out a lot. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love you guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I'll see you next time. Bye.